Good morning, everyone. Back with another episode of Stuff and Things. I'm currently somewhere around Carson City, Nevada, and I just left Lake Tahoe. Not gonna lie, I'm exhausted from Shred Fest. If you haven't checked out the skiing videos yet, you can find a link right up there in the corner. Now, of course, I'm traveling around in the Storyteller. I'm gonna do a little bit more testing with this thing before I return it to them. Got another friend with me today. This is TC's rig from Storyteller. He was a customer for a long time and now is a part of their team doing special events and projects, sort of like me being able to test out a Storyteller. So he's actually heading back to Colorado, the Denver area as well. So I think him and I are gonna be traveling together over the next couple of days. Now I am in the 22 Stealth, of course, and this is his rig here. A little bit older, a little bit more customization because this is his personal van. Travels quite a lot and essentially lives out of this thing. Maybe throughout this video I'll show you some subtle differences between the two, but for the most part on the inside they are pretty much identical. We just fueled up here. Our next stop is going to be a little bit further, probably going to hit the Salt Flats, and I've driven through that area a lot, never really stopped and hung out, so should be a good time.
Good time.
Speak of the devil, TC, what's up?
What up?
What's up, pup? You gonna say hi to the camera? Yeah. Van dogs.
Oh yeah.
All right, you ready to hit it?
Get that B-roll. Let's do it.
A lot of driving this morning. We've been on the road for about 7 hours now, made our way out of Lake Tahoe through Carson City. We ended up stopping for lunch at a little place right around Battle Mountain called the Hideaway. Had a French dip sandwich. It was actually really good for a town that was essentially in the middle of nowhere. And then we continued our drive across the northern route of Nevada. Not a whole lot to see there. There were some pretty cool, like beautiful open sights, but other than that there was basically nothing until we crossed the Utah border and made it to our first destination for today. So let's check it out. Welcome to Bonneville, the Bonneville Salt Flats, the Speedway. We went from a whole lot of nothing in Nevada to like real nothing. There's nothing out here. Super vast, open, crunchy salt bed. We do have some nice mountains off in the distance over here. This is gonna be a rad spot to hang out for a little bit. I don't think we're gonna end up camping here, but I've never been here before, so I wanted to take some videos, snap a couple photos of the Storytellers. Yeah, this place is kind of rad. Welcome to Park City, Utah. We just drove for another like 2 hours or so, about 2 hours 15 minutes from Bonneville Salt Flats. And now we're meeting up with two more people whom I've met in person before at some different expos over the summer. TC knows them as well because they also own Storytellers. Right over there we have Todd, TC's van, and Stealth over there. One more Storyteller on the way. Now, I have not spent much time in Park City, but this town is super cool. I'm not going to be skiing because I just skied for the past week and the weather is not super great up here. We are, however, going downtown over here, and somewhere downtown is where you will find High West Distillery.
We're at the bridge.
Damn, bro, you act like a white girl wasted. What's up, bro, man?
High West was dope. The food was really good. I did not buy any whiskey because I have basically all of their bottles at home already. I thought they were gonna have something like fancy, like something different. Typically distilleries have like something you can only get there. I don't know.
They're big production now. Now they going in.
Well, that's because they sell in cases and stuff now.
So now we're heading back to the vans and we are going to a super secret spot near Park City. Views that you just really won't believe them. So wait till you guys see this camp spot. And just like that, we are at our camp spot for the night. I just took a nice, super hot shower, and the more I'm in the van, now that I'm not actually skiing every day, the more I'm liking this thing. I'm getting more used to the functionality. Like over here, we have a hot water circulator. I'll explain more about all of the stuff that I'm learning about now in a future video. But I'm definitely digging the Storyteller, especially for this kind of travel where I'm just kind of like playing and working. I'm not fully living out of the van. So over the next 2 or 3 days as I'm traveling around in the van, I'm gonna sort of gather my thoughts and put them all into a video or maybe a couple videos, sharing some things that I like and some things that I don't like. So you guys can stay tuned to find that here on the channel. Now the area that we're camping in, there is a fire ban, so we can't have a campfire or anything. We still have Caden and Todd with us, TC of course. The views out here are beautiful, but it's too dark to show you guys anything. So I'm gonna let the shower dry out, hop in bed, probably edit a couple of photos, get a good night's sleep because I'm freaking exhausted right now. And then when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna show you guys the view, definitely get the van cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll do it all again for another day of living in the van. Morning, everyone. We got some snow here last night, and it looks even better than I thought it was going to. Yeah, dude. How about them views, TC? So here we are in a beautiful Walmart parking lot. We actually did get snow last night, and we are just a little bit north of Park City. Got some plans today, more camping. Van life people, hi. When we rolled in last night, there were vans all over the place here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kanan left. A lot of fun stuff going on here. The reason I like showing you guys stuff like this is because this is a huge part of van life. When you're in a town, especially a ski town that's pretty touristy, it is very difficult to find parking. I'm talking about places like Park City and Vail, so Walmart, for the most part, is always a good option. So that is all for this video. We're gonna pick up literally exactly where we're leaving off right now in the next video. You guys will see that here on the channel soon. So if you're new to the channel, consider clicking subscribe. I make new videos every single week. As always, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one.